Thanks. So the question from online, essentially the question is, what can we do to push back and fight against the administration of federal environmental regulations? Again, this is an area where the courts are our friend on this. My party, we are identifying those cases where we can support groups with standing in the courts to challenge the administration on cutting legally required environmental regulations or those regs that have been affirmed by the Supreme Court in the past. Part of this is a matter of chasing down all the spaghetti that's being thrown on the wall the last 4 months. All right, so think of this: they bought all the spaghetti, they cooked it, and they threw it all up on the wall all at one time to see what would stick. And a lot of stuff stuck early on, including rolling back some environmental regs. They went back to the store, they found the price of pasta went up, so they bought something else. And they took that and threw it. Less of it is sticking. Less of it is actually sticking. Now, if you look at now the courts, Trump is losing in the courts a lot more than he's winning in the courts. The numbers are really clear. So groups, people, unions, nonprofits need to continue to push on these, including in the environmental world. In my world, on transportation, we're fighting the department on environmental regs because they don't believe that. Well, I would say like I hate climate change and they love it. So I had to put it. They don't like carbon emission reduction. They don't like, and they don't like the rules that require higher standards for vehicles when it comes to emissions. And so we're pushing back on the administration. Where it's in the law, it helps. Where it was the previous administration, the Biden administration making a decision that they wanted to see something happen, but it wasn't in the law, it's really hard to win those. It's really hard to win those because those become a matter of administration preference as opposed to Congress has put a stamp on. So that's some of the challenge that we face in Congress right now on pushing back on some of these things. But when it comes to the EPA, there's a $20 billion fund that's used. The EPA doesn't want to utilize. They want to pull all that money back and use it to pay for part of the tax cuts. They don't want to cut the money. Do not let them tell you they want to cut the money. They do not want to cut the money. They want to put it in the budget on the spending side, spend it for tax cuts, including this $20 billion environmental fund. And they're having trouble. They did it initially, but they lost the first lawsuit. So the lawsuits are important. What we put in the law is important. And I'll be continuing to fight to put things into law as opposed to relying on the agencies or the next administration to do these, to increase environmental protection and decrease pollution. We need to actually do that in the law to make it harder for future administrations to pull it out.